In this video, I'll show you how to change the encrypted password of a VMware Workstation virtual machine. Normally, you can change the password from the VM settings. But first, you need to know the current password. If you don't specify a custom password, this password is automatically generated when creating a Windows 11 VM with TPM and secure boot, and it's stored in the Windows Credential Manager in this computer. So before we can change it, we need to retrieve it. First, right-click the Start button and open PowerShell or Terminal as administrator. Next, open the VM configuration file with Notepad. You can see the path of the VMX configuration in the Virtual Machine Details section. Scroll down until you find the encrypted ID of the VM. Copy that ID. We'll need it for the next step. Now, here's a PowerShell script that retrieves the encrypted password for the VM. I'll put the script in the video description. Paste the copied ID into the variable inside the script, then copy all of the code and run it in the PowerShell window. As you can see, the script shows the random password that was generated when the VM was created. To verify it works, I'll change the password from 1 to 8. The password has been updated successfully. If I run the script again, the output now shows the new password instead of the old one. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.